Best practices for project portfolio management. Project portfolio management, PPM, is essential for organizations to prioritize and align their projects with strategic business goals. By effectively managing project portfolios, companies can ensure they are investing resources in the right projects and achieving desired outcomes. Here are some best practices in PPM, illustrated with examples from real-world companies. 1. Align projects with strategic goals. Best practice. Ensure every project in the portfolio aligns with the company's strategic vision and business goals. This requires close collaboration between project managers, senior leadership, and business units to ensure project outcomes contribute to long-term objectives. Example: General Electric, GE uses PPM to ensure that all its projects contribute to its overarching strategy of innovation and efficiency. For instance, the company's investments in renewable energy projects are aligned with their goal of becoming a leader in sustainable technology. GE uses its PPM system to evaluate new projects based on their alignment with this goal and prioritize investments accordingly. 2. Establish clear governance and decision-making processes. Best practice. Implement a strong governance structure to ensure transparency, accountability, and informed decision-making throughout the portfolio lifecycle. Decision-making processes should be standardized and based on consistent criteria. Example: Siemens, a multinational conglomerate, applies a centralized decision-making approach for their PPM. Each portfolio is overseen by a steering committee that evaluates project performance, risks, and benefits before deciding whether to continue or pivot. This helps the company maintain strategic focus while adapting to market changes. 3. Prioritize projects based on value and risk. Best practice. Use a scoring or ranking system to assess the value, risk, and impact of each project. This allows decision-makers to prioritize high-value, low-risk projects while managing resource allocation effectively. Example: Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola uses a robust PPM system to assess new product launches. For example, when launching a new beverage line, the company evaluates factors such as market potential, brand fit, resource availability, and execution risks. This system ensures that Coca-Cola invests in products with the highest return potential while managing risks effectively. 4. Monitor and optimize resource allocation. Best practice. Continuously track resource utilization across the portfolio to identify areas of underutilization or overcommitment. Optimize resources by reallocating them to high-priority projects or areas of need. Example: Intel. Intel employs an advanced PPM system to manage its R&D projects. With hundreds of ongoing initiatives in different stages, Intel's PPM system helps them allocate engineering and manufacturing resources where they are needed most. This optimization reduces inefficiencies and ensures that key product innovations, like new processors, are delivered on time and within budget. 5. Maintain flexibility and adaptability. Best practice. Recognize that business conditions can change and PPM processes must be adaptable. Ensure that there is a mechanism for reassessing and shifting priorities based on new information, market dynamics, or emerging risks. Example: Amazon's PPM process is highly adaptable. In the case of their AWS, Amazon Web Services division, initial projects were quickly reassessed and evolved as new opportunities in cloud computing emerged. Amazon employs an iterative process that allows for the flexibility to adjust project goals, strategies, and investments based on real-time feedback and technological advancements. 6. Implement a performance measurement system. Best practice. Use key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure project success and portfolio health. Regularly monitor the performance of projects and the portfolio to identify issues early and implement corrective actions as needed. Example: Microsoft's PPM process includes a comprehensive performance dashboard for its software development projects. For instance, during the development of its Office 365 platform, project managers used metrics such as customer adoption rates, feature usage, and system uptime to evaluate project progress and success. The insights from these KPIs allowed Microsoft to make adjustments to features or timelines to improve user experience and meet business objectives. 7. Engage stakeholders. Throughout the process, best practice: maintain open communication with stakeholders at all levels. Regularly update key stakeholders on project progress, risks and outcomes to ensure continued alignment and buy-in. Example: Pfizer. Pfizer's PPM approach is centered on stakeholder engagement, particularly in their R&D process for new drugs. When developing a new vaccine, for example, stakeholders including clinical research teams, marketing departments and regulatory bodies are engaged in regular reviews to ensure the project stays on track, meets compliance requirements, and aligns with business goals. 8. Ensure portfolio balance. Best practice: maintain a balanced portfolio that includes a mix of short-term and long-term projects, as well as different types of initiatives, e.g. high-risk, high-reward versus low-risk, steady return. This balance minimizes risk while optimizing returns. Example: Apple's PPM strategy balances innovation-driven projects like the development of the iPhone with infrastructure improvements and smaller incremental product updates. This approach helps mitigate risk by not placing all resources into one high-risk, high-reward project while ensuring steady progress in multiple areas of the business. 9. Use technology and tools to support PPM best practice. Implement robust PPM software tools that provide real-time data, reporting, and analytics. These tools help streamline processes, improve decision-making, and enhance portfolio visibility. Example: IBM. IBM employs advanced PPM software to manage its large portfolio of IT projects. With the help of tools like IBM's Engineering Lifecycle Management, the company tracks each project's performance in real time, enabling it to make data-driven decisions, forecast project timelines accurately, and manage risks proactively. 10. Continuous improvement and learning. Best practice: foster a culture of continuous improvement by learning from past projects and applying those lessons to future initiatives. Conduct post-project reviews and share insights across the organization. Example: Toyota. Toyota is known for its continuous improvement, Kaizen philosophy. After each project, teams conduct reviews to assess what worked and what didn't, and apply those learnings to future vehicle development projects. This ensures that Toyota's project management processes evolve over time, leading to more efficient and successful projects. Conclusion: by following these best practices, organizations can achieve better alignment between projects and business objectives, optimize resource allocation, manage risks more effectively, and ultimately improve project outcomes. Companies like GE, Siemens, Intel, and Amazon demonstrate how well-implemented PPM can drive success, from strategic alignment to adaptability and performance monitoring.